The digital age is already here, but not every country's digital economy is switched on.
Advances in tech have the potential to benefit everyone, but at the rapid rate at which we're experiencing technological change, some people are already being left behind.
3 billion people around the world lack internet access, and economic and digital inequality will only further widen unless government, especially the ones in developing countries, are proactive and take charge of their economies.
There has never been a better time for countries to get digital ready. Capitalizing on the benefits of technologies such as automation and AI can help countries solve long-standing problems such as poverty, unemployment, and inequality.
A digital strategy can empower countries to seize these opportunities, but this strategy must be inclusive, so not to further widen or entrench inequalities.
The Digital Economy Kit provides an outline for developing countries to build robust digital futures that involve everyone.
It doesn't offer answers because every country is different. Rather, it helps countries to pose the right questions and bring the right people to the table.
We've piloted this Digital Economy Kit in countries as diverse as Ethiopia, Mongolia, and South Africa, and have used findings from these pilots to evolve and develop it further.